Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I have a few new products that I wanted to share with you because I thought they were really working out. They're not favorites yet because I just started using them, but I did want to share them with you because they have been working exceptionally well so far. I wanted to mention something that I heard Melissa 55 and Kristen 321 talking about on their channel when they did their last car chat. They spoke about this young man named Jeremy who was taken away from his family way too early, and his friends made a tribute, a memorial for him. Kristen and Melissa shared the video. It is a very short video. It is about 3 minutes. I am going to leave the link down below, and I'm hoping that you can stop by and check out the video. And something that it was either Melissa or Kristen said on during the chat, you know, we have on YouTube so many silly videos that just go viral and just ridiculous things sometimes. And here is a video that these young people put together and for their friend, and it just meant so much. I watched it and it was heartwarming. It was such a heartfelt experience to see what these young people did, all the work that they put into it, and I wanted to share with you. I hope you go by, I hope you watch the video, and if you have Facebook, or if you find the video as touching as I have, I hope that you go and you share it as well. I know that it would mean a lot to their friends that put all this work into it, to Jeremy's family. And like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below. I hope you go over and you watch this beautiful tribute for this amazing young man that his friends made for him. Moving on to the products that I wanted to share with you. The first one, first of all, you know that I think you know that I don't take too many PRs. I'm really picky. You would be so surprised if you would see some of the nonsense that gets sent to me. And I'm thinking, really? No, I will only take PR from something that I know is really worth it, that you would find worth it, knowing about it. So, knowing that, Monica reviewed these products recently on her channel from a company named Adore. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And Monica raved about the products. And when I saw Monica raving about it, and then she and I were talking, and I said, wow, those are really good products that you were sent. So Monica, the next time that she talked to Holly, I believe is the founder of the company. This is a company it's made in the USA. When she talked to Holly, Monica gave Holly my name, and Holly contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try the products. And because Monica had raved so much about it, right away I said, yes, absolutely, I will try out the products. And there was really no need for me, there was no pressure to review or anything like that. I mean, the lady was just as nice as can be. Anyway, I tried the products. The first one that they sent me was this foot cream. And I thought, okay, it's a foot cream. Yeah, but this is a very special foot cream. It's not only soothing, but it actually penetrates the skin, where it leaves your feet so incredibly soft. I have never used a cream, and I go and get pedicures, but like this, yeah, I have never been to a salon that uses a cream that will leave my feet so soft for days. It's not just a momentary, just for a few moments. It actually works. It actually lasts. I love this cream. The other one, so this one is the Oh So Nice. This is the soothing cream. And it's good for aches and pains, for knees, for your back, for sciatica, for all kinds of things. Well, when I saw that it was good for sciatica, and actually Jay, Monica's husband, had said that he had used it and that it really helped him. So I get a horrible sciatica pain, and I always have to end up going to the emergency room, and I have to get a shot, and I have to go on steroids for about 5 days in order to alleviate that pain. I didn't have to go to the emergency room. I used the cream, and I thought, okay, let me give it a little while. That night, the sciatica pain was gone, and then it works. It really works. I won't be without that because I'd rather slather some of this cream on than go to the doctor or go to the clinic or go to the emergency room and get a shot. This is awesome. If you have any types of pains like that, I've also been applying it to my knees because I have sore knees and from a fall and when I was at school, and this cream has just alleviated it tremendously. I haven't had to take any aspirins or anything like that. Okay, moving on. I highly recommend those creams, by the way. Monica, thank you so much. You are absolutely right. And Dory, thank you. I absolutely love these creams. I want to talk to you about the Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian 3. This is the Coral. I think that many of you know that I have all of Juvia's Place palettes. I'm telling you, ladies, this palette is, I think, my favorite from Juvia's Place. It doesn't have a mirror. It is cardboard, but the quality in this palette is absolutely amazing, just like the rest of Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place they're pigmented, they're long-lasting, they're blendable. You don't have to be a master makeup artist to be able to use these. The palette is $20, Ulta's website. It's also $20 if you go to the Juvia's website. Well, they were having a sale on Ulta, and it was $15. Well, it so happened that Juvia's Place was also having a sale, and I am subscribed to their emails. I got the email. It was $10 on Juvia's Place. If you want to try these palettes, go to Juvia's Place and sign up for their email. $10. I don't think that there is a drugstore palette that you pay $10 for and is the quality of this. This is what I'm wearing today. Let me close my eyes and let me show you. Isn't that pretty? I hope that I'm close enough that you can see it. Love these. I applied this pretty one right here on my lid. And then for my transition, I used this one, and I used some of this gray in the transition as well, or in my crease, and then I used this for the outer corner, and I applied a little bit of this one just to kind of blend it. I think it's a great little palette. If these shades speak to you, this is not a total in your face like some of her other palettes. This is a really workable palette. It is so pretty. I highly, highly recommend. So that is another new product that I have been using. This next product, I love Olaplex. I have spoken about Olaplex on my channel numerous times. It's not a shampoo that you can use every single day, but it is a shampoo and conditioner that you can use once every 2 weeks or twice every 2 weeks, something along those lines. I don't use it that often because it's one of those things that too much of a good thing really isn't a good thing. I have the shampoo and the conditioner, and I also have the other one that is to the styling cream, I think it is. Well, they just launched this one, and it is the Olaplex No7. And now I'm going to look at my notes because I don't want to forget to tell you something. This oil, it's not oily like it leaves your hair greasy. Your hair absorbs it very quickly. This is for all hair types. It contains vitamin C, D, and E, as well as fermented green tea oil. It protects the color And I totally agree that it does. I haven't had my hair dyed. I think it's now going on 3 weeks. And as you can see, it still looks pretty darn good. It protects the color, fights the frizzes, it provides heat protection. That I can attest to because I haven't used a flat iron and I don't even know how long. It repairs, straightens, and hydrates. It also increases the softness and the color vibrancy. And I believe that it is really doing all of that. My hair is so incredibly soft. Here, touch it. I guess not. It is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and there are no sulfates. I think that many of you know that I do not use any sulfates in my hair, and it doesn't contain any mineral oil. I love what this is doing to my hair, and it's a pricey little number, but I have been using it for about, I want to say about 3 weeks, and you just need I mean, you only get a little drop out. You don't get much out. And that's all you need. You rub your hands together and just work it into your ends, and your hair just feels so nice. Love this. Now this you could use more often than the shampoo and conditioner. This next product that I want to talk to you about is, you've probably heard lots of ladies here talking about it. I did not receive this in PR. I am not that fortunate, but my daughter did. And my daughter always shares her PRs with me. Aren't I the lucky mom? Thank you, Steph. Emile Cordon sent her a collection of these lip balms. I had heard Sheila talking about it. I have heard, I think Monica talked about it. I have heard quite a few ladies talking about these, and they swore by it. And I thought, okay, it's a lip balm. Yeah, there are lip balms, and then there is Emile Cordon. This is amazing. It truly is. It is made with cuckoo, I guess, nut oil, almond oil, and vitamin E and squalene. This is a miracle lip balm. I have never used anything like this in my life. This is incredible. This one that she sent me is Manhattan Flare. I think this is a limited edition. This one has like a very pinkish kind of shade, but it doesn't really go on that way. It significantly soothes, improves your lip lines, it hydrates like nothing I have ever seen before. And the nice thing is I apply it at night and I apply it in the morning because I have to do that. And I just feel that throughout the day, my lips just feel plump and smooth and really nice. And you know what? For me, that is saying a lot because my lips are usually, at my age, they're not the best. They're not like they used to be. Well, Stephanie sent me these two. This one is the Saint Bart Soleil, and this is just a clear. I know that Sheila was saying that there was some that she really liked, and I don't remember what it was. I put a little dent in it, but Sheila said that it lasted a really long time, and because they are a pricey little number, but you know what? They are worth every single penny. I wear this every single day. Love these. Absolutely love these. And Stephanie, thank you so much for sharing your Emile Cordon with me. Well, I think I really want to say, I don't know, maybe you shouldn't have, because now I'm going to continue purchasing them. Love this. All right. The last product that I have to share with you is mascara. When I did the video when I did the comparison of the, the IT Cosmetics, the blowout mascara with the CoverGirl mascara. You know which one I'm talking about. Anyway, Kathy left me a comment and she said, you have to try the LashCraft from Sephora. And I trust Kathy. I mean, Kathy recommended that Smashbox, the eye primer, and there is no eye primer, as far as I'm concerned, like that one. Well, when she recommended this, I was placing a Sephora order, and one of the, I don't know, one, you know, that you get to pick a couple of samples with your order if it's above $25 or something. Well, I picked the LashCraft that Kathy recommended. I used it like every single day. All the videos where I was doing the foundation reviews for the Kevyn Aucoin and the Fenty and the Stila, and my lashes looked really long, this is what I'm wearing. This mascara. I couldn't believe it. This is a Sephora collection mascara that is $14. There is no flaking, no smudging, no clumping. It adds length, it adds volume, and it has jojoba oil in it. I looked to see if they sold these so you can try it, because I think that this mini size, I think that they're $5. They have another one, another Sephora mascara, but it's not the LashCraft. This is called the Big Volume. This one is the one with the little purple on the top. I'll show you the brush. It has a pretty big brush. Well, I loved it so much that I ordered a full size. And I'm thinking that now with the 20% off, I think I'm going to order like 5 backups of these. Love this mascara. Couldn't believe it. So inexpensive. It's going to be drugstore price, really. Those are my 5 products that I wanted to share with you that are new in my life, and I really thought you needed to hear them. Let me know if you have tried any of these products. Let me know if any of these products intrigue you, if this is something that you want to look at and try. Thank you everyone so much for being here with me. I truly appreciate it. I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening or day wherever you are and whatever day you're watching this. Thank you so much for all of your support. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time.